I don't think people understand spiritual awakening vertigo. You feel it, a shift. The world seems different, brighter. You are awakening. But with this awakening comes a sense of vertigo. Like standing on a mountaintop, the view is breathtaking, but the ground feels unsteady. This is spiritual awakening vertigo, a natural part of the journey. As you ascend to higher levels of consciousness, the familiar structures of your old self crumble. You are evolving. It can feel disorienting, uncomfortable. This is normal. You are not alone. If you want to learn more about navigating this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more insights. What does spiritual vertigo feel like? Imagine a roller coaster of emotions. Intense joy one moment, deep questioning the next. You might feel disconnected from your old life, your old self. What triggers this? Often it's a major life change, a loss, a new love, a sudden realization. Anything that shakes your foundation and forces you to see the world and yourself anew. This awakening process is like shedding old skin. It can be itchy and uncomfortable, but underneath, new radiant skin awaits. When the ground beneath you feels unsteady, it's crucial to find your footing. This is where grounding comes in. Grounding is about anchoring yourself in the present moment. How do you ground yourself? Connect with your body. Feel your feet on the earth. Breathe deeply. Focus on your senses. Simple practices, powerful impact. This process allows you to navigate the changes with more grace and ease. You are safe. You are supported. Navigating the shift practical steps. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. It is yours and yours alone. This path is unique to you. There's no right or wrong way to experience it. Trust the process. Seek support from those who resonate with your journey. Talk to others who understand. Share your thoughts and feelings openly. Find a spiritual teacher or mentor. Their wisdom can guide you through uncertain times. You don't have to do this alone. Journal your experiences regularly. This helps you process your emotions and gain clarity. Reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Write down your insights, your fears, your hopes. Let your journal be a safe space for your inner world. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion daily. This is a time of great transformation. Embrace the changes with grace. Be patient. Be gentle. You are unfolding beautifully, just like a flower in bloom. Finding your footing, support, and resources. In this chapter, we will explore the various tools and aids available to help you on your journey. There are many paths to navigate this journey, each unique and personal to you. Books, meditation, spending time in nature, these are just a few of the many ways to find peace and clarity. Find what resonates with you. Whether it's a book that speaks to your soul or a quiet moment in a garden, the right resource can make all the difference. One valuable resource is Audible, a platform with a vast library of audiobooks on personal growth and spirituality. With thousands of titles, you can find something that aligns with your journey. Their guided meditations can be particularly helpful during this time, offering a sense of calm and focus. Click the link in our description for a free trial at Audible. This is a great opportunity to explore their extensive collection. Let these resources guide you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Embrace the journey, a new perspective. Just like a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, we too undergo profound transformations in our lives. Spiritual awakening vertigo can be challenging. It can feel like standing on the edge of a vast, unknown expanse, unsure of what lies ahead. But it is also an incredible opportunity for growth and transformation. Embrace the unknown, for it is in these moments that we find our true strength. Remember, you are not your thoughts. They are fleeting and ever-changing, like clouds passing through the sky. You are not your emotions. They are temporary waves in the ocean of your being. You are the awareness behind them, the silent observer, the calm center amidst the storm. Connect with that stillness within. It is your true essence, your unchanging self. As you navigate this shift, you'll begin to see the world with new eyes. Every experience becomes a lesson, every challenge an opportunity, with more clarity, compassion, and love. Trust the journey, for it is uniquely yours and it is leading you to your highest potential. You are becoming who you were always meant to be. Embrace this transformation and step into your true power.